Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this zombie prom queen kind of look. Turned out pretty cool. I don't have any zombie contacts for my eyes though because I'm afraid of putting my finger in my eye, so that's not going to happen anytime soon. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my Instagram as well, and keep watching. Alright, I already did my brows. I used the Revolution Brow Pomade in dark brown. So I'm just going to start with my eyes. I'm going to use the Clinique All About the Shadow Eye Primer. And I'll set that in place with a nude powder. And then using the Soph palette, I'm going to go in with the transition color Tiramisu. Then I'm going to take Strawberry Sweets on a flat brush and then blend it out.
Now I'll take this reddish color and I'll define my outer V with that.
Then taking the black color,
I'll use that black shadow to define the outer V of my eye even more. Whenever you're using a black eyeshadow or one that's really dark, make sure that you're only applying small amounts at a time and really take your time blending.
then I'll take some of the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit eyeshadow, and this is in Cashmere Love. I'm going to put that on the inner portion of my eyelid. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit more of that pink.
I'll use that to blend the edges.
Alright, and then using the Revolution Renaissance Flick eyeliner. Alright, I will be right back. I'm going to stick on some false lashes.
Quickly applying some mascara to match those lashes to my own.
I'm just going to prime my face really fast using the Maybelline Master Prime. Even zombies need primer. I want to be super pale because I'm a zombie. So I'm going in with a shade that's too light for me, and this is the Maybelline Superstay, and this is the shade 110 Porcelain. I'm a white ghost. Then I'll go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in Fair Neutral. Usually this is like just on the border of being too light for me, but today it's perfect.
Looking super pale.
So before I set that with any powder, I'm gonna move on to liquid latex. This is like in any Halloween store or craft store or whatever. I just got this one on Amazon. I've been practicing with it, and the bottle is like... So I'm just gonna take like a cheap like $1 makeup sponge, and I'm going to put this anywhere that I want to make a fake wound. Just be careful of your eyebrows because this will completely pull any hair out.
I'm taking that makeup sponge and dabbing a thick layer of the liquid latex onto certain areas on my face. Once it dries, it'll look like skin and I'll be able to create some fake wounds.
So while those are drying, I'm going to finish up my eyes. I'm going to take this L'Oreal eyeshadow single. I don't know the name because I ripped off the back.
The shadow is a matte gray color. I'm going to use it under my eyes to create some really sunken in dark circles. Making sure to blend it out with a fluffier brush. I'm going to waterline my eyes with this red lip liner. This will give my eyes the illusion of being bloodshot.
Then taking the BH Modern Mattes palette,
I'll run the red color along my lower lash. Taking the white shade from the BH Modern Mattes palette, I'll dust that all over my face. This will set everything in place and make me look even paler.
So I think the wounds are ready to be messed around with.
Once the latex is dry on my face, I'll use my fingers and my nails to rip it. You can get kind of creative here, just try to create realistic looking wounds. The latex is going to do most of the work for you, but as you can see, you kind of want to make it look like ripped flesh. I promise this doesn't hurt, even though it does look like it may. I'm pretty sure this goes without saying, but I'm going to say it anyway. If you have any sort of latex allergy or sensitivity, you're definitely going to want to stay away from this stuff. I'm pretty sure that you can use Elmer's glue, the white school kind, to replace this.
Fun fact, this is actually why I bought the Modern Mattes palette, because a couple of years ago I was looking into a zombie makeup tutorial, and this palette has literally every matte color ever that you'll ever need, which is fantastic. So I'm going to take the blue shade in here and kind of mix it with the black to get like a dark blue. I'm just going to stick that in all the wounds. That'll help look like bruising. Next I'll take this purple color and mix it with this purple color just to get like a nice dark purple that still looks purple. And then I'll dip into that red in the Modern Mattes palette and mix it with that brown again.
Layering all these different colors is going to help make realistic looking bruises.
For part of the blood, I'm going to use liquid lipstick.
This will help give really vibrant pigment, but it'll also dry down matte, which will help it stay longer.
So taking this really tiny angled brush by Morphe, I'm going to take the gray again and do like some fake veins. Looking real good. Alright, so I'm just going to create a little bit of extra bruising, doing those same steps that I did before.
You can be pretty random with this because bruising doesn't have to be exact. Next, I'm putting concealer on my lips to make them look extra pale.
And then I'll follow the same steps and kind of create some bruising on my lips. Alright, I'm actually pretty nervous for this part. This blood is really red. Oh! I just spilled it on my leg.
I'm gonna dab this in any of my fake wounds to make them look bloody. Then I'll use this little dropper to make fake drops of blood.
I hope this is non-toxic. Oh my god, this itches so much. This little drop coming down.
I'm also going to use my finger to pat down some of the blood to smudge it around the wounds.
I'd like to thank all of the people who helped me get here.
By letting me eat their brains.
This is obviously the finished look. There's a fly that has been flying around me this entire time and it's driving me crazy. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun filming this. I really kind of want to go to a Halloween party now just so I can do this look and wear this because this has been so much fun to recreate. I'm really proud of myself. It turned out really cool. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked watching me create this zombie nightmare. Let me know in the comments if you think that it was a fun, easy tutorial for you to recreate. I definitely don't think it's too hard. The liquid latex and the blood is the most important part, and then this BH Modern Mattes palette has been amazing for this look because it's all matte color, so nothing is gonna shimmer on your face. Yeah, so that's it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!